Welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning back in to Fine Tooth Notary. As you know, I'm Chris, and we're back with another session today on the sites that I use to make some of my marketing materials. In my past video that I put out, I discussed on what are you using to make your marketing videos? Are you just using a piece of notebook paper, or what are you using in order to make your marketing video? So for today's session, I'm going to show you the site that I use, and the first one that I use is called Render Force. So sit back. I'm going to teach some things today, share some tips, some stuff that I use to help me. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscription button. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we're at the website, and the name of this site is renderforest.com. That's renderforest.com. And this is a site that I came across maybe 2 years ago, and I've never left it since. They really are a great site to use if you want to make some intro videos or marketing videos for your business. The first thing, let's jump right to it, is the pricing on the site. So if you click on here, you can see that these are the different prices that you get in order to with the service once you start it. So you have a free service where you're getting up to 300 megabytes storage. You can either go with the light, which is $6.99 a month. You can go with the amateur version, which is $7.99 and gives you 20 gigabytes of storage. You could go with the pro version, which is $15.99, or you could go with the agency version, which is $39.99. And here, as you can see in this area here, are everything that comes with each tier of membership that you may sign up with. So just starting off with the free, you're going to get unlimited 360p video exports, which 360p, that's not going to be a good video as far as that you will want to put out there for marketing material. But if you just want to get the free version so you can see how your things will look if you went with one of these higher tier models, then it would be a good thing to start off with. And like I said, you just can go through here. You see with the $6.99, you're going to get HD 720. With the $7.99, you're going to get 1080 HD. With the Pro, you're going to get the same thing, 60 HD 720, HD 1080. And then if you go with that $39.99, that's when you're going to get the 4K exports of the video. So it just depends on what version or which tier you want to go with in order to make your videos. With me, I'm okay with going with the amateur, which is $7.89, because you're going to get the HD 1080 videos, which is going to be clear, and it'll get you up to 15 minutes of video. Your intro videos won't be 15 minutes long, so you're getting plenty with that, no watermarks, and then 3 font uploads. So I use the amateur version, but it's up to you on how or which one you want to use. Like I say, if you want to go with the 4K exports, then I would say go ahead and get that $39.99 a month. All right, so let's go back here so I can show you just a couple of examples of the things that's on this site. All right, so we're going to be creating, and you see the options that they have. You can make a logo, create a video, edit a mock-up, build a website, design a graphic. Today we are concerned with creating a video. All right, so when you click on this video, you're going to see right off the bat some of the different videos and everything that's available. If you go by the sort, you can go by trending videos. You can go for the newest, you can go from the one with the highest ratings, or you can go with the random. I want to start off, let's just see, we can start off with this one. So say for instance, you wanted to use this spear logo right here. So I'm going to show you how to do it, or better yet, let's go down here to the logo reveal. Like I said, I'm going to walk you through here just to show you how to do it. So you're going to hit create, and they'll let you, the good thing that I like about this site is that they will let you actually design and then see a mock-up of what you're gonna get, which is awesome. So before, you're not buying something and not knowing what it's going to look like. You're going to get a chance to see what it looks like and know before you actually buy. So all right, so we're going to go here, and you can add text. So I'm just going to put YouTube test video, and we're going to add a picture to this. So we're going to go to our uploads, and let me just pull up. Let's see here, what can we pull up here? I'm just gonna pull up fine tooth notary and just to see, just an example here. And you have different options. If it doesn't fit, you got options to fill, fit, rotate, filter. So we're gonna go done. All right, then you can go and you can choose which one you want, the golden or if you want the silver. For purposes of this video, let's go with the golden. We also have music that comes with it. We're just gonna go with the default. Then we're gonna hit preview. And like I said, this one is just a free preview. They give you a free preview no matter which one you click on. So we're gonna go with the preview version right now, just so we can get a feel and see what it's gonna look like once we're done. And you see the other different options where you could do it $19.99 or the $24.99 for the HD previews. All right, so we're gonna hit free preview. And it's gonna go, it usually doesn't take long. It puts you in the queue in order to do your business, and on normal days, it doesn't take long at all. As you can see right here, it's already starting to prepare the media. Okay, the video is currently in queue and it is finished. So now, as you see, you have your video, completed video, and they have their watermark in there in order to keep, people from going in and not actually paying for the video. So let's hit play here just so you can see what you would get using these videos. There you go. What do you think? I'm gonna show it again here. This is pretty clear, and this is just how it's gonna look even better if you go with a higher. That's how it's gonna look if you go with a higher, a 1080 or something of that nature. So this is it, guys. This is the site that I use, renderforce.com, and I'll make sure to put this link in the bottom of the video so you guys will be able to see it.